Hello friends. Last period we have discussed about the tendency of Swami and the tendency of Swami's father. Such as the conflict between two thought of Swami and thought of Swami's father. Swami's father was insisted again and again to sleep alone in his office room, and his office room was very dark. He forced, he compelled, but what happened? Swami did not ready to go there and sleep alone, because he was a timid boy, because he was a discourageous boy. But his father insisted again and again. Now already we have discussed about the paragraph number, that is a 7, 8. His father was reading a newspaper, he was engaged in his work, and he slept from the hall, and he went to the granny's room. Now he was pretending, such as the pretending act of Swami was going on here, to sleep with covering such as the blanket. And then here, afterwards his father knew that his tendency, and now here he came to a room where the granny was there and the Swami was there, and now here he said to our Swami, "Get up, Swami," said father for a third time, and Swami got up. Father rolled up his bed, took it under his arm and said, "Come with me." Swami looked at the granny, hesitated for a moment, and followed his father into the office room. On the way he threw a look of appeal at his mother, and she said, "Why do you take him to the office room? He can sleep in the hall, I think." Now here he said, Swami's father said to our Swami 3 times. First time, second time, he said, "Yes, get up, Swami, get up, Swami, wake up, Swami, wake up, Swami." His act was a pretending act of sleeping. Pretending means सोंग करणे, झोपेचं सोंग घेतलेलं आहे. हे आपल्याला पॅराग्राफ नंबर 7, पॅराग्राफ नंबर 8 मध्ये पाहायला मिळतं. असं 3 वेळा स्वामीचं फादर स्वामीला म्हणतायत, "उठ, लवकर उठ आणि त्या ऑफिस रूम मध्ये झोपी जा." "Get up, Swami, get up, Swami, get up, Swami, get up, Swami." He repeated 3 times, but there was no reply. There was no reply of Swami. Yes, the year, "Get up, Swami," they said the father for 3rd time, and Swami at last, he had no any alternative, he had no any option, and at last he got up, he stood up. आता तो उठलेला आहे. Father rolled up his bed. Swami's father rolled the bed, took it under his arm, and said to that Swami, "Come with me, come with me." Who said whom? Swami's father said to Swami. He ordered, Swami's father ordered to the Swami, "Come with me and follow my order," like that. Then the "come with me," he said, Swami's father said. Swami looked at the granny. Swami looked at the granny. Now Swami became helpless. He needed help from a granny. And now here he looked at Granny. He hesitated for a moment. Hesitate means that is to pause. Pause means that is a घुटमळणे in your mother tongue Marathi, that is a घुटमळणे. थोडा वेळ तो घुटमळतो. Swami looked at the Granny, hesitated a moment, followed his father into the office room. Office room was there. The condition was there. He wanted to sleep there and to prove his courage. And it was a time to prove his courage. He had a courage. Swami looked at the Granny, hesitated for a moment, and followed his father into the office room. On the way, he threw a look of appeal at his mother. On the way, he threw a look of appeal at his mother, and she said, "Why do you take him in the office room?" Who said whom? Who said whom? Swami's granny. Swami's granny said to that the Swami, "Why do you take him in the office room? He can sleep in the hall, I think. He can sleep in the hall, I think." Yes, the Swami's, that is the granny said to that the Swami's father, "Why do you take him in the office room? He can sleep in the hall." "Yes, I think." "I don't think so," father said. Swami slunk behind him with a bowed head. Yes, now here he was insisted to him to sleep in his office room. "I don't think so." "Yes," said the father said. And Swami's, the slunk means that is a slink. The past tense of slink is that the slunk. Already given here. Yes, the slunk means here moved. You go to your glossary, you will get the word that is the slunk. Slunk means moved somewhere quietly and secretly moved. एका ठिकाणून शांतपणे दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी जाणे त्याला आपण slunk असं म्हणतो. Past tense of slink is that is a slunk. Swami slunk behind him. Him is who? Swami's father. He went, keep quiet. Yes, quietly. He went quietly, followed his father order. Swami slunk behind him and bowed head. Bowed head. Whose bowed head? That is the Swami bowed head. Yes, like that. "Let me sleep in the hall, father. Let me sleep in the hall, father," Swami pleaded. "Your office room is very dusty and there may be scorpion behind your law books." Now he was a tricker, he was a cheater. His act was a pretending act. सोंग घ्यायचा प्रकार स्वामीकडून आता होतो आहे. स्वामी सोंग घेतो आहे आणि he pleaded. Swami pleaded means requested, विनंती करणे. Swami pleaded to that the Swami's father. What was the request of Swami? At first, you see, "Let me sleep in the hall, father." मला या हॉल मध्ये झोपी जाऊ द्या. इथं झोपलं, येस, इथं मी झोपी जातो, त्या ऑफिस मध्ये झोपी जाणार नाही असं त्याला म्हणायचं असतं. आणि म्हणून पहिली रिक्वेस्ट, द फर्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ दॅट इज स्वामी टू दॅट द Swami's father, "Let me sleep in the hall." Hall, father. He said that Swami pleaded, Swami requested to that the Swami's father. "Your office room is a very dusty." Your office room is a very dusty. It was a complaint of a Swami. It was a complaint of Swami. Yes, your office room is very dusty. It was not clean. Office room was not clean. It was a complaint of a Swami. And so why? Because his mind was not ready to sleep in that the office room. "Your office room is very dusty and there may be scorpions." Scorpions behind your law books. आणि तिथं ते स्कॉर्पियन म्हणतो, जे विंचू म्हणतो, ते विंचू त्या पुस्तकांच्या लॉ बुक्स म्हणजे कायद्याची जी पुस्तकं आहेत, कायदा विषयक पुस्तक म्हणतो, या पुस्तकाच्या पाठीमागे विंचू आहेत आणि ते मला विंचू चावतील आणि मी तिथं झोपी जाणार नाही. कुठं? वेअर? इन हिज ऑफिस रूम. बट ही वॉज रेडी टू स्लीप इन दॅट द हॉल. He was ready. Yes, always. According to him, it was a safety. According to Swami, it was a safety here. So that's why. Your office room is a very dusty and there may be scorpion behind your law books. What was the reply of a Swami's father is very important. Swami's father knew his tendency. tendency of the Swami, he knew that there are no scorpions, little fellow, sleep on the bench if you like. The reply of Swami's father, there are no scorpions, तिथं scorpions असे काही नाही आहेत. Yes, there are no scorpions, little fellow. Yes, a type of abuse. एक प्रकारची शिवी म्हणतो आपण एक वेगळ्या अँगलनं टोचून बोलण्यासारखं तो बोलतो आहे. लिटल फेलो. Yes, little fellow. There are no scorpions, little fellow. Sleep on the bench if you like. आणि तू बेंचच्या खाली झोपी जा. Yes, no problem. Again, the reply of Swami is a very important here. You see, can I have a lamp burning in the room? It was also request to that the Swami's father. Yes, by the Swami. Yes, can I have the lamp burning in the room? Room, which room? Office room. Office room मध्ये light चालू केलं तर चालतं का? Yes. Can I have the lamp burning in the room? No. The reply of the Swami's father was that no, he was not ready. Yes, no. You must learn not to be afraid of darkness. It is only a question of habit. You must cultivate good habits. Yes, and the reply was that is a negative reply. Whose reply? Swami's father's reply was a negative reply. Negative reply. You must learn. The word must shows us the compulsion. Must is the modal verbs. Yes, the modal verbs here. You must learn not to be afraid of darkness. Means he knew that he was afraid of a darkness. Who? Yes, who? Swami. He was a courageous boy. He a discouraged boy. He was a timid boy. So here. You must learn not to be afraid of darkness. It is only a question of a bit. It is only a question of habit. You must cultivate good habits. He said that. Swami's father said you must. It depends on that how to cultivate your habits. It depends on you. Yes. And so here it was a habit of the Swami here. Will you at least leave the door open? Another request. Again, another request will get here. Yes, the request was like that. Will you at least leave the door open? Yes, door tari open karu ka? Request of that yes. All right, but promise you won't roll up your bed and go to your granny's side at night. If you do it, I will make you the laughing stock of your school. Yes, when the Swami said or Swami requested or pleaded to that Swami's father, will you at least leave the door open? Open फक्त door तर करू शकेल का? At last he was agreed. Who? Swami's father was agreed at last. All right, okay, no problem. But I want promise from you. I want a promise. But promise you won't roll up your bed and go to the granny's side. Yes, at night. You don't do like that. You don't do like that. Yes. आणि म्हणून तू काहीतरी करशील. यस, तू तुझा बेड रोल अप करशील आणि तिकडे परत तू ग्रॅनीकडे झोपायला जाशील. यस, असं तू करायचं नाही. But promise you don't roll up your bed and go to the granny's side at night. If you do it, and जर असं केलास, if you do it, I will make you the laughing stock of your school. Laughing stock of your school. The term laughing stock means, what is the meaning of laughing stock? A laughing stock, which is a mention in your glossary. You see that. Laughing stock means an object of ridicule. Object of a ridicule. In Marathi, that is a हास्यास्पद करणे. आणि मी जर तू असं केलास तर तुझ्या शाळेत जाईन आणि शाळेत हे जे काय करतोस ते मी शाळेत जाईल आणि हे तुला हास्यास्पद होईल, लज्जास्पद तुला होईल. अशा पद्धतीची एक चेतावणी म्हणतो. येस, तो स्वामीचा फादर स्वामीला देतो आहे. इफ यू डू इट, आय विल मेक यू लाफिंग स्टॉक ऑफ युअर स्कूल. येस, सच ही सेड और ही रिब्यूक, एक प्रकारची धमकी म्हणतो. Yes, he rebuked to that is the Swami. Yes, now we concentrate on the share your responses. Share your response. You see the question number 1. What do you think was the practice of Granny before she went to bed? What do you think was the practice of Granny before she went to bed? What was the activity of a granny of a Swami? What was the activity before she went to bed? Yes, what is the answer? The answer is that she always told a story to Swami before she went to bed. She was a good storyteller, and who was the listener? That is a Swami. It was a regular activity of a Swami's granny. Yes, this is the answer. Now we turn to the question number 2. Was Swami really sleeping, or was he pretending? Pretending means song karne. Pretending means that is the song karne. Was Swami really sleeping, or was he pretending? What is the answer? Yes, what is the answer? Was Swami really sleeping? No. Was he pretending? Yes. Yes, he was pretending. His act was a pretending act. Now we turn to the question number 3. To Swami, his father looked like apparitions. His father looked like apparitions. Yes, apparitions means like a ghost. Apparition means that is the ghost here. Means here his father looked like apparitions. Yes, the answer is that. Fill in the blank. Apparitions, the correct word is that. Number 4. Why do you think Swami looked at his granny and his mother while following his father to the room? Why? Why do you think Swami looked at his granny and his mother while following his father to the room? Because he wanted support. He wanted support from mother as well as Swami's granny. So that's why he looked at his granny and Swami's mother. Yes, we turn to the next question number 5. There might be a scorpion before your law books. Who said this? Swami said to the Swami's father. There might be scorpions before your law books, said Swami. And on that the statement, there are 2 questions. Question A and question B. Question A and the question B. Question A. Had he seen them earlier, or were there scorpions really? Had he seen them earlier? Them means what? Scorpions. Earlier means before, पूर्वी. अगोदर कधी पाहिलं होतं का? No. Yes, the correct answer is that no. Or were there scorpion real? No. No. Your answer is that is a no. And question B. Was it a trick to escape from his father? Yes. It was a trick. It was a trick to escape from his father. आता तो स्कॉर्पियन तिथं लॉ बुक जे आहे त्याच्या पाठीमागे स्कॉर्पियन किंवा विंचू म्हणतो, ही विंचू आहेत असं ज्यावेळेला म्हणतो त्यावेळेला याचा अर्थ असं आहे की फादरच्या तावडीतून सुटण्याचा तो प्रयत्न करतो आहे. नाउ वी टर्न टू द paragraph number 10. Swami felt cut off from humanity. Swami felt cut off from humanity. He was pained and angry. He did not like the strain of cruelty he saw in his father's nature. He hated the newspaper for printing the tiger story. He wished that the tiger had not spared the boy, who didn't appear to be a boy after all, but a monster. That is the monster here. Swami felt cut off means that is a stop. S-T-O-P. Stop म्हणजे थांबविणे. Swami felt cut off from humanity. Yes, he felt that there was no humanity from his father. Father did not show the humanity. Humanity means माणुसकी. त्याच्या वडिलांकडूनही माणुसकीचं दर्शन झालं नाही. Yes, Swami felt cut off that is from the humanity, means to stop here. He was a pain and angry. Swami was a pain, angry, and he did not like the strain of cruelty. Strain of cruelty of his father. And such a the strain of cruelty he saw in his father's nature. Father's nature. Nature means not nisarga. Nature means that is a swabhav. And now here he did not like the strain of cruelty. And he आपण म्हणतो हेच माणुसकीचं किंवा दर्शन इथं पाहिलेलं नाही, क्रूरतेचं दर्शन हेच पाहायला मिळतं असं स्वामीला वाटतं. He did not like the strain of cruelty he saw in his father's nature. He saw such the strain of cruelty in his father's nature. He hated the newspaper for printing the tiger's boy. He hated, hate means तिरस्कार करतो आणि त्याला वाटतं की त्या न्यूजपेपरमध्ये आलेली त्या मुलाची बातमी हेच माझ्या या त्रासाला कारणीभूत आहे अशा पद्धतीचं असं त्याला वाटतं. He hated the newspaper for printing the tiger story. He wished that, who wished that? He wished that tiger had not spared the boy, who didn't appear to be a boy after all, but a monster. He called to that the boy, village boy, brave boy, that is a monster. Yes, he said that he wished that tiger had not spared the boy. Spare means already the word given in a glossary, that is a spare means not harm someone. म्हणजे कुणालाही इजा करायचं नाही, कुणालाही जखमी करायचं नाही, that is means spare. Yes, not spared the boy means what here? जर त्याच वेळेला या टायगरनं जर या मुलाला जर मारलं असतं, ठार केलं असतं, तर who did not appear to the boy after all, आणि तो मुलगा किंवा मुलाची कीर्ती जी होती, मुलाचं जे शौर्य होतं ते शौर्य दिसलं नसतं, आणि ते शौर्य दिसलं नसतं तर मी या वडिलांच्या तावडीतून मी सरळपणे सुटलो असतो असं त्याचं मत आहे. म्हणजे ते मरायला पाहिजे होतं असं याचं मत आहे. Yes, he wished that the tiger had not spared the boy, who didn't appear to be a boy after all, but a monster. But the monster, he abused म्हणजे तो शिव्या देतो, that like a monster. Yes, monster means yes, that is evil. Yes, evil minded like that monster. भूत म्हणतो आपण असं, monster. Yes, monster कुठला असं म्हणतो, तसं तो म्हणतोय. means he abused to that the boy who fought and killed to that the tiger. Such the story which is how he Swami's father, how he insisted to sleep in his office room, everything which is mentioned in that the paragraph. We'll see the next paragraph. Thank you very much.